Hi, this is Pinky Solomon. Welcome to our channel Try Excellence. Varieties of contents are on the way. They are going to be more interesting, informative and innovative too. I am going to cover many different areas which will be very interesting too. First, let me introduce myself. I am Pinky Solomon. I am a mathematician. Basically, I am very fond of mad of my subject. But to be frank, I just want to start with mathematics videos only, but you people won't find it interesting. So let me start with some other videos, and later on, if you people show interest, I will include those videos too. So as I said you already, I'll be covering many areas. Today we are going to start with fashion tips. Fashion tips means you need to have many accessories at home. Like I have, let me show you what are the items I have at my home. See? Bunch of scarves. If I show this, I am sure all the pretty girls, pretty women, you'll be excited to see. This is a sample bunch. I have many in my wardrobe too. One day I'll show you my wardrobe. See, I have plenty of scarves, I said no. I have taken a collection now to show you. See, this is butterfly. See, this has butterfly design. And this is satin cloth, pink and pink, beige and black combination. And this is animal skin combination. And this is, it will look like a butterfly if you wear. This is flowers. This is polkas. And this is multicolor flower design. And this is, you see, can you see? Is it clear? Can you see? This is lock and key. Lock and key. So all are pretty scarves. Pretty scarves. But I cannot wear all these scarves in one day and show you. So I'll take any one from this. And you see, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Can you see this? Can you see this? This is very pretty, no? See? Animal prints. Animal prints. See, and this suits my dress. One second, I'll show you. This suits my dress, isn't it? Yeah, but I am already wearing black scarf. So, all these scarves are in square shape. Being a mathematician, all my terms will be like mathematical terms only. So all are pretty, I said. I'll go with this one. I said they're all square scarves. 1 meter by 1 meter I have taken. But to start with, I have taken a bird print scarf. This is not a square actually. This is 1 meter by 54 inches. So this is not a square scarf, but this is a broad rectangle. This is a broad rectangle, you see. Now I am going to do beautiful tricks how to wear this square scarf. I'm sorry, though I call it a square scarf, this is a broad rectangle, but remaining scarves are square scarves only. But this is my most favorite one because this will go well with the pink color dress, blue or even white, any dress, it's up to you. And the remaining accessories also I would like to show you. Coolers and then corset belts. Can you see? Corset belts. This rarely, not regularly I use, but rarely, depending on the type of dress I am wearing. So this one, corset belts. I have different colors. Black itself 3 I have, and then beige and then red. And then you can see hats. Too many hats, no? If I see these things, no, my face will glow like anything. I'm very fond of these things. Sometimes for petty things, if I get upset, no, if I come to my wardrobe and see all these things, that's it. I come back to my normal mode. So, today we are going to see, one second, we are going to see square scarf. Many videos I'll be doing with scarves in the beginning, and then I'll get into different topics. As I said already, I'll be covering many areas. I said no. Let me tell you in the beginning itself. Maybe I'll be covering fashion tips. Fashion tips I have many. It's a collection I have, and then beauty tips, and then cookery tips, health tips, and then exercise tips, and then last but not the least, how to lead your life happily in spite of your hurdles, stress, everything. See, in my family especially, we cannot hold any stress not more than 10 minutes. That's it. After that, everything will come to an end. Then always be happy, because life is too short. So make it sweet always. Don't make yourself bitter. So it is in your hand. Now scarf is in my hand. So life is in your hand, scarf is in my hand. You see. So I have taken this way, square scarf. So I am going to start now. Are you ready? Yes. Girls, young women. Why should I say like that? All age group women, starting from 2 years, babies to old women, up to 100 years. Okay. Let me not bore. So what I'm going to do, I'll start from here. I think, am I clear? Or you want me to come still closer? Yeah, this is enough. Take small plates like this. Small plates. See how I'm taking? It's up to you. You can use right hand and then take plates, or you can use left hand to take plates. Small plates like this. And then you see what I'm doing? Patiently you have to wait, because the final step alone, if I show you, you will not be able to catch up my idea. So just see the full thing. So I have taken small plates and I have gathered the fabric. Now itself the birds are looking very pretty, no? Pink and blue birds. You see what I'm going to do? A small magic. Before that, I would like to narrate a small incident. I was asking my husband scarf ring. Then he was telling me, I will introduce about him later. He's a very smart guy. He's out of the world, I can say. So I was asking for a scarf ring to him. Then he was asking me how it will be. Then I started narrating. It will be like this. I have to insert my scarf and then do some magic tricks, everything. Then he brought this one and he gave it to me. This is nothing. This is not a scarf ring. This is a keychain ring. This is what he gave me. So I'll tell about him later, not now. So this is the scarf ring. This is what he gave me. And then one more keychain ring. And then you see, these are my dress buckle. And then his pant belt buckle. And this is again my buckle. All these are called, according to me, scarf rings. And I do magic with them. So that's what I tell you, no? I spend very little, but make the things very pretty. So it is in our hand. I have spent this much, that much. Now am I looking good? Not necessary. You should be satisfied with what you have. So I have this. So what I'm doing? Just I'm inserting this scarf ring or keychain ring or whatever it is. You see, let it settle in the middle. Let it settle in the middle. How it is? Nice, no? Now what you have to do, just see what I'm doing. Just 1 second. Just hold the two edges like this. See how pretty it is. It looks like a butterfly. You hold like this or hold like this. It looks like a butterfly. And this butterfly you tie around your neck. Already I am wearing scarf. Over that I am wearing this. And then I am coming closer. And then just wear like this, because it's a big scarf. You are looking like this. And over black dress I am wearing. So see, very pretty, no? This type of wearing, I am wearing bodycon dress. This type of wearing, you can use it for a dress without sleeve. Without sleeve. Suppose you are wearing with sleeve and you want to show your dress sleeve. So what you can do, same way you wear, and then just fold. One second. Just fold one end. And then leave like this. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. See, super cute, no? So if you wear like this, I'm sure you'll get compliments from your colleagues and friends or neighbors or anybody. If not, I can't say anything. I can't say anything now. You decide. So you will look very pretty, and depending on the scarf style also, because I've taken pale colors only because I love to wear pale colors. And then slowly you remove this, and then just take out. So I have worn this in two different ways. One is in a butterfly, I told you, no, first one, and the second one is just fold the edges and wear. That will be fluffy in the middle. And then remove this ring, and I'll show you butterfly pattern scarf itself. See, all these are new. I didn't even wear. This is first time I'm wearing. So I'll do one thing. Similar way, you take like this, pleats, gather the fabric, and you see how I'm inserting through the buckle. Again, make it into two halves. Let this buckle settle in the middle. Make it into two halves. But you see, this scarf has one disadvantage. Both sides, they don't have the same color. Same. So one side it is bright. So I should be very careful while making. So both sides should be bright. No, it's not turning properly. Okay, I'll do one thing. 1 second. It will come like this. It's nice, no? But it really looks like a butterfly only. Really butterfly. Pretty butterfly. See, the scarf itself is very beautiful. See, this is going very well with my dress too. Okay. In case, if you don't have this buckle or this thing, keychain ring, I'm sure you'll have. But if you don't have also, no problem. You do this way. This is the simplest way. You don't require any tools. Tools means in cookery we call them as ingredients. Here we call accessories. Only the terms are different. See what I'm doing? Just I'm putting knot. I just tied it up and putting knot in the middle. So you don't need anything. Just see. You made exactly. And then hold the two ends like I did, no? Hold the two ends. Correct side, wrong side, correct side only. See. Ah. Oh, wow. Super cute. But you have to do this in front of the mirror, otherwise they'll go in wrong direction. Nice, no? Yeah. Now, as I said you, second pattern is just fold the edges one side. Knot also will look very pretty if you leave like this. And then see, very, I look the different color combination. Butterfly will look like that only, you know. Even the polkas also, you will get the butterfly look. And then almost all the scarves, they'll be very pretty for different dresses. This is, if you want to show the sleeve, say I am wearing a beautiful, this itself looking like a butterfly, no? Sleeve itself is looking like a butterfly, no? I designed, I stitched my own, I'll tell you later. That's all. So, all these things, so tomorrow you're going to office and then or college or school, not school, I'm sorry, college or office going, or you're going to church, and the previous night itself you have to decide which scarf will go well with your dress, and then put knot like this and leave it on your dress. So next day morning, just like that, within no time you can finish your work over. So it will look very pretty. Not only the pretty I'm saying, not only about the look, actually it will give a decent look, because it will cover your, it's a nice cover up. So, and one more thing, see, only two patterns I have told you, both are very pretty. See, I have taken almost a square scarf, I just tied, either I used scarf ring or buckle, or just one knot is enough. Knot itself is enough. Just put knot and then tie around your neck, spread around your shoulder, so you will look like a butterfly. If not, just I did no, so that way also you can wear. Say I am also wearing, can you see, I am also wearing a scarf, but it is getting merged with my dress color. Okay, as I said you already before closing this video, I just would like to show my dress. See, till the bottom, can you see? Yes. Here sleeve as well as the bottom. Actually, I bought plain bodycon black dress. I have almost plain colors, only plain, no design, nothing. So what I did, from the leftover fabric, this one leftover fabric, just I had only one rectangular strip. What I did, I just did these two sleeves and the bottom attachment also with knife pleated one. So after this, the dress is very beautiful. So I did this change in half an hour. So like that I have done in almost, I used to do, see, either I make my own dress fully right from top to bottom, or else I just buy dress for very minimum cost and I do all this attachment and make it very pretty. So this is what I do. So this is the fashion tip, the first tip which I have given you. Okay, butterfly scarf in using many different tools. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you like this video. If you like my video, before leaving, please subscribe, like and share. Okay, and before closing this session, I would like to tell you the channel name is Trio Excellence. Trio means, as I told you already, all my terms will be mathematical terms only. Trio means three. Three members are getting involved in this. One is myself, and the second one is very prime member, my soulmate, that is Solomon, Dr. Solomon. He is a veterinary doctor, he is a poultry specialist. The upcoming videos he would be sharing the benefits of consuming eggs and chicken. Okay, so that is going to be very, very important. Not upcoming video means not the next video. I'm not sure about it. Let me complete this scarf videos first, and then he'll come into it. And then the last one is my son. He is doing engineering. So he's very, 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 very what to say, the most interesting in the way we both are like Tom and Jerry always at home. So who is Tom and who is Jerry, that you decide later after seeing our videos. Okay, and he's what to say, he has lots of ideas. He's a young guy, no? So he has lots of ideas, lots of potentiality. He has done many projects. Only thing is, he is feeling shy, and later on he'll come into this channel with his big bang ideas. That's it. That's the end of this video. Thank you. Bye. Nah.